Welcome to maintenance day. I need to dye my hair, and I said I was never going to do this at home again. However, it's getting really close to the time that we need to leave, and I have one box dye left, which I paid a lot of money for. So I want to go ahead and use it. It's not going to make my hair blonde like I want it, and I have 4 different stripes of colors right now. Like, this is the color that I want. This is the color that he gave me with hair dye. This is the color that I got with bleach. And this is the color that God gave me. So, yeah, today's maintenance day. I'm going to mask my face, whiten my teeth, and dye my hair. Isn't this color so pretty? I wish that I could, like, keep this color always. You can tell comparatively it's similar, but I have more of a yellow tone to my hair. I love this color though. This color will make my hair brown. So yeah, let me get to it. Since I did buy this in Israel, and yes, I did bite all my fingernails off, it's making me stressed because I work for someone who's very abusive. Okay, I have Hebrew and Russian. Yeah. I just told Abigail that I'm dyeing my hair, and she started crying. She said, "Don't dye your hair." I said, "No, I'm coloring it a color." She thought that I was killing it, so she's so cute. Anyway, she said, "I need you to color it brown." Yeah. She is daytime potty trained. We put diapers on her at night, and she is not nighttime potty trained, for sure. When we go out places though, we're still going to put a diaper on her because she's not ready for that, but you can hear she's using the bathroom right now, so okay, bye.
Brush your teeth, Mommy?
Uh-huh.
Don't let you hell. Sweat.
Mm-hmm.
Zip. You hell. Don't want to die.
Does this inspire you to look as crazy as me? I still have to put the teeth whitening gel on my teeth, but I have to do that. So I wanted to put the mask on first. So I'm going to probably let everything sit for 40 minutes, including my teeth gel. I'm gonna check my hair in 40 minutes to see if it's done, and then I'm just going to get in the shower and wash all of it off whenever it's done. Yeah. This it feels a little cooling. I'm not sure what it has in it. But it also feels a little burning, and it doesn't really get tight, but it feels like there's apricot seeds in it because it has a little bit of grit. So I just wash and then leave it on because it does say that it is a purifiant intense mask. Nettoyant. It might be from Canada. I don't know. Is that French? Nettoyant? Okay. I'm not dyeing it. I'm coloring it. Okay, so this is Plus White Gel, and this is what gets my teeth super white. I do not have perfect teeth. I know some of you keep saying that I do. I do not. I have imperfections in my teeth, just like everyone else. They are not even straight, but they look straight. Depends on which angle you're looking at me at. I keep this in the fridge. I was recommended to do that by you guys. So it is super liquidy, and what I do to warm it up is I put it on my right here, and then it kind of solidifies when you let it sit for a second because of the warmth of your skin. And then I take it, see, it's on there really good, and then I just put it on these teeth that you can see. I have very sensitive teeth to this. This is like hydrogen peroxide probably. So I just go to the teeth that you can see, and I have very, very sensitive bottom teeth, so I don't use it at all on the bottom teeth usually. I'm night today, I don't know. Okay, and I'm gonna sit like this for the next, and drool for the next 40 minutes. Hi kids! Drooling, there you are. Okay. Yuck. So this will get my teeth nice and white. I maintenance with this like twice, once a week or once every 2 weeks. But you need to do it twice a day for 2 weeks to get it white to begin with. I speak really well, don't I? Okay, I'll do that. A lot of time has passed and my hair is now brown. Now take a look at what color it should be and see if it matches. No. Okay, I'm gonna wash all this off. It's really round. Okay, I'm gonna try to blow dry it a little bit before I get in. I also put this, which is really good. It has a lot of silicone in it though, but I put it at the ends, and now all of my hair is stiff, so I'm gonna try to blow dry it and see if it gets a little whiter. It probably won't, but maybe it won't be yellow. We'll see. I don't want to die, I don't want to be here anymore. Know that song? Oh my gosh, I feel like I look exactly the same. Anyway, well, when you work for an hour, you expect a little difference. I suppose there's a little difference. Alright, now I feel guilty because I worked on myself today. So we're gonna go do something for the kids. I don't know if I have a car today. Let me tell you what happened to Hadar. He actually had to go to Jerusalem. I believe it's Jerusalem. It might be Tel Aviv. At this point, I don't know. He had to go to the embassy, and he had to take his old passport. He has a new passport, but he has to take his old passport so they can cancel it for sure, because he has like 3 visas in there for America because he worked in America. He got deployed 3 times at least since 2016, I believe. I believe he's went every year since 2016. So 3 or 4 times he went to America. And he has working visa there. That did not sound like English. Until 2021. And he's not allowed to have that if he's trying to get a visa to live, like a green card visa or whatever. I don't even know what he's trying to get. We're trying to live in America and work in America. So he needs to cancel those visas So they actually made him drive up there today. And I don't know if he's in a work vehicle or if he's in our vehicle. I'll have to look. Anyway, it will depend on what we get to do today, depending on what he does. And I don't know if you'll actually see that or if it's going to be in the next vlog, because somebody is getting up from a nap right now. Because this might be actually a really long vlog. It depends on how long it is. I'm trying to keep them down to like 10-15 minutes. Because people have short attention spans and I'm really not that entertaining, so. Hi! Good afternoon! How are you? You're so blurry. You ready to get up and have a good day? Yeah, okay. Yes, this is my second coffee for today. I just want to show you, this was Super Farm. 35 shekels for this. This is supposed to be stevia. This is what we've had to resort to because I didn't buy enough stevia to last us until we moved. So I'm boiling my water now. It is ready. This is my second cup of coffee, so I have a dirty cup. I'm not washing it. I ain't got time for that. We use this, which is this. It's freeze-dried coffee, and I know a lot of people have like serious issues with freeze-dried coffee, but it's actually really good. I was kind of, ew, you're drinking freeze-dried coffee, you know, instead of fresh brewed coffee. It's really honestly the same thing. It tastes really good. Here it tastes good, and everybody drinks it here. It's like a thing. So, oh, and they also drink this. I think we're gonna take this to America with us. This is a burner for when we're out camping. And this is where you put your like mud coffee, and this is the propane tank for the burner that goes on top of here. And you just sit there and you brew your mud coffee, which is here. It's just very fine coffee grounds, which is pretty cool. How about a tour of my thing? We have some coffee pods for this. We're selling this. Yeah, walnuts. This is their breakfast. Cacao nibs, oats, and sunflower seeds. My ZMA, which I take daily and I'm almost out of, which is a good thing. And protein powder, which I make pancakes and cakes for the kids and for Hadar. Hi.
Hi.
You're looking so tired, but so happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go out today?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Applesauce and cinnamon for a snack before I make other food. Is it good?
Yeah, but I'm cold.
You're cold.
We don't have any covers.
No, we gave them all away, didn't we? Well, you have covers on your bed.
Yeah, but that's too big. It'll fall off the chair. Go to the ground.
That sucks. Go ahead and eat, Abigail.
No, there's a bug.
Where?
On that wall.
On that wall? No, there's not. There's no bug up there.
There's a hole up there, Mommy.
Yeah, it's a hole for where you put curtains. That's not a bug. All right, go ahead.
Cool. A bug cool.
All right, go ahead and eat.
Oh, you know what?
Uh-huh.
The guy that lived in this house, he put curtains on the wall.
Yeah, one of them did.
All of them.
This house has been through a lot of owners, so...
Yeah, baby spoon. You know, it's our house to own.
That stevia is really not good. I don't recommend any packet stevia because they put additives in it and stuff. Even the better stevia, which we buy, the packets are not good. Don't recommend that. Buy it loose. There's only one ingredient, organic powdered stevia. So don't buy the packets. They're really gross. We had really hard trouble getting through one packet of better stevia, and now we're on to this yucky other stevia that, ugh. It's yucky, but we only have a little while left.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share FoolyLiving.
Good morning. I look crazy because I am taking a lot of our furniture. This room is done. Hi. So they're eating oats. I want to buy this house. I was like, yeah, I know, I love it. The tuna, the deviled eggs, the stressors.